If you want to keep your Namecheap.com account from being hacked, one of the most important things you can do is turn on two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, so even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to log in without that second verification step. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in a few simple steps, and if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your normal username and password. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Account. This opens your account menu where you can manage your profile and security settings. From the menu, select Profile. This is where Namecheap keeps your account details and security options. On the profile page, find and click Security. That's the section we need because it contains the settings for protecting your account from unauthorized access. Inside the security area, look for two-factor authentication. Next to it, you should see a Manage option. Click Manage to open the setup for 2FA. This is the feature that helps prevent account hacks by requiring a code from your phone or Authenticator app every time you sign in. Now, Namecheap will ask you to choose your preferred 2FA method. The most common and secure option is an Authenticator app, so select that if available. Then click Enable. This tells Namecheap that you want to turn on extra login protection for your account. After that, you'll be asked to confirm your identity. Enter your Namecheap account password and click Continue. This step is just to make sure it's really you making the change. Next, Namecheap will display a QR code on the screen. Open your Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code with it. Once the app recognizes the code, it will start generating 6-digit verification codes that change every few seconds. Now go back to the Namecheap screen and enter the 6-digit code currently shown in your Authenticator app. Make sure you type it in before it expires because these codes refresh regularly for security reasons. After entering the code, click Finish, and that's it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled on your Namecheap account. From this point on, your account is much better protected against hackers, phishing attempts, and stolen passwords. If this tutorial helped you secure your account, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.